Hello, this is the Doctor Clinical's Guide app layout. Here you can see three tabs, that is the general history, symptoms, and the physical tabs. And each of them have a each of the tab view has a different kinds of sets of views within it. So in the general history tab, we have the initial observation tab, which is highlighted in here on the left side with the start, and then there is the initial data which is can be collected from the patients like name, age, sex, race, and address, everything. And then there is the chief complaint and the history of the patient illness, what all should be taken is detailedly listed on here. And there is the past medical history, what all kinds of questions needs to be asked is present here. And there is the personal history, social history, and family history, and drugs related, what all medications which they are taking, activity, and obstetric history, and gynecological history. So this tab can be navigated either through the buttons on the left hand side, or even through the sliding through the uh, uh, means, as I'm showing in the mouse pointer, it can be slided also, so that you can navigate easily between the different tabs. So these two options will be available. So coming to next is symptoms. What are the symptoms? If there is a general symptoms, then there is headache, pain, and general fever, and vomiting, and diarrhea, and cough. So if you want to go to the internal things, then you can go to the what all internal questionnaire of this. So you have the questionnaire, what all questionnaire needs to be asked is detailedly mentioned here, and there is the differential diagnosis and the clinical pulse related to it. So once you are back, you have the different things on the left hand side. This is the kidney, psychological complaints, and endocrine complaints, and skeleton, with each having their own subtopics. So one of the example which we can take here is the low back pain. So low back pain, what is it? And there is a set of questionnaire which needs to be asked to the patient. Then next is the physical tab. In the physical tab, again you can go back like head, nervous system, and chest, arms. These are the different subtopics, and each of them will have a detailed information regarding that, like what is the tone as the patient, regarding the tenderness, if any joint is. So this all things you can go through this app seamlessly, and prepare the your report of history taking with this just this app. Thank you for installing.